Okay, hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. So in this video, I'm going to talk about something I haven't spoken about for a while, and this is something that's just been literally generating me huge amounts of leads. And this is a complete standalone brander tool that's completely hosted on the LeadsLeap platform. Okay, these are all in the form of share codes. So what is this system? Okay, so this system is a set of lead magnets. Okay, what are lead magnets? Lead magnets are exactly as they say. They basically magnetize leads to your list, basically. Okay, so they're free reports. They're very generic, and you basically give them away. But what adds an extra layer of kind of excitement as far as your lead is concerned, what sort of drives them to really want to be able to grab this report, is because it's a viral report. It's a report that they can not only get and own and read, they can actually rebrand it. All right, completely rebrand it. In other words, they get giveaway rights, free giveaway rights and branding rights to all these reports. Now, why is this a great thing? And why is this very, very effective when building your business? Well, it's very effective because these are generic tools. Okay, for example, look at some of these topics. Okay, so you've got a book here. Okay, let's take about this one. Okay, how to get signups, okay, to your business. This is very generic. In any business opportunity, any network marketing business, any affiliate business, everybody wants to figure out how to get signups. This is probably the number one thing that people struggle with. So give that away. Let people know that they can rebrand it, and instantly they will immediately get ideas in their head, thinking, "Crikey, this is just what I've been looking for," and it's gonna viralize, the whole thing, because they get this. They grab it, they realize they need to rebrand it with your link, okay, and they need to take action in order to do that. So they sign up with you. They get the ownership of the book, okay, so that in itself is entices people to take action, and then they get to brand it, and so that they can then give it away. So they're getting free giveaway rights and branding rights to these books. Okay, so we've got another book here. For lead generation, we've got learn how to generate leads using funnels. Okay, and we've got 101 headlines. Okay, so add content, add copy. Free copy and paste, fill in the blanks, add copy, and viral traffic to skyrocket your success. And a system that helps you to grow your leads using lead magnets. YouTube influencer, how to set up a YouTube channel, another topic on YouTube, and so on. Okay, and network marketing pitfalls. Okay, great topics. Affiliate marketing secrets, and we've got another very powerful share code that you can get all the everything, all this entire. You can get a funnel with this with all these downloads in one single funnel with one share code. Okay, so here's the funnel share code. This is for upgraded LeadsLeap members. So if you're upgraded in LeadsLeap, you can add this share code here. If you're not upgraded, don't worry. Whatever. Okay, so when you're on this system, okay, you go to the setup tools, and you can grab the templates. Okay, they work with, you can edit them, you can make it work with any of the branded tools. So we've got a set of templates here. Okay, so you can use any of these templates and design them, re-edit them to make them work with any of the branded tools. You don't necessarily have to use all the branded tools, all the lead magnets. You can use one and then, make it work for yourself, set up a funnel, so you get all the funnels to go with it. You get all the email follow-up series, and so on. So there's a lot of value here. You've also got the marketing tools in there with banners and stuff like that. Let me just quickly show you that as well. So you've got the banners as well if you want to share out this. Now this whole system is generic. Okay, it'll help you to build your LiveGood business. Okay, and you brand it with your LiveGood details. Okay, you need to ask your sponsor to join their LeadsLeap referral link, because it requires LeadsLeap. All right, you can get on my link below to join LeadsLeap. Okay, now this is also a pretty cool little tool as well. This is actually a blog article. Okay, it's actually done in LeadsLeap itself. Okay, this is actually a LeadsLeap page, but it's done in the design of a blog article. Now, why have I done it like this? Well, blog articles are very easy to share out. You know, if you go into someone's inbox and you say, I've got a great blog post I want to share with you. It's a topic I think you're going to be really interested in. It's all about how to, grow your leads using lead magnets. And then they, just share them out a blog post. I mean, it's easier to do that than say, can I share you a business opportunity? As soon as you do that, people are just very opposing. They're going to step back and they're not really, they don't want to, all right, whatever. But if you say, I got a great blog post, if you're networking with people and you're talking to people, say, what business you're involved in. Oh, I'm in blah, blah, blah. And say, oh, how's that going for you? And say, great. Okay. Are you struggling with building leads, or do you find it hard to build a team or whatever? I've got a great blog post that might help you out. So they go to this blog post and you can brand it with your links, and it's a good read. Okay. But, you can edit this blog post. You can make your own blog post. You can duplicate this page, change the banner if you want, put your name in there. Okay. Change the date and, change the content, whatever you want, and then make your own blog post, or keep it as it is because it's a good blog post in itself. And then they click the link, and they can get access to your business opportunity. Okay, which in this case is a viral download page of a traffic report. So that's but you can change that to your link. That's fine, and then they can contact you. Put your picture in there, your name in there. It's all editable. And then put your Telegram information so they can contact you. Okay, really, really easy stuff, but really eye-catching. People can also brand this. So this is a complete branding system in a box, and it really helps to generate. I've just generated literally thousands upon thousands upon thousands of leads using this system, but also similar systems that I've created, where people can actually download the PDF. It's branded to you, and it's got your link in there. I've been doing this since 2015. Trust me, guys, if this wasn't working for me, I wouldn't be doing this kind of stuff. I put a lot of work and effort into creating systems like this. If it wasn't worthwhile, trust me, guys, I wouldn't be doing it. This puts you in the driver's seat. Okay, this is what I do to generate leads. And if you do this, and then once the share codes are handed over to you, it's your system. So make it work. Okay, be the leader. Because it really does work. People want these kind of tools. Okay, so basically what you do is, as I say, you're in the brander tool. Okay, and you pick a brander, whatever, click the button, and you just put your ID here. Got LeadsLeap ID there, and download the PDF. It'll then have your details in there. It'll be your rebranded PDF system. Okay, so. And then that'll download, and you can set up your own funnel, add it in there. Watch the videos, guys. Okay, but they each have their own brander tool to brand the PDF. Okay, but you need to upload that PDF into somewhere. If you're a pro member of LeadsLeap, you can upload it to LeadsLeap. Otherwise, you can upload it to Dropbox or Google Docs or whatever, and link it to your download page. Okay, so you can get your download pages from the setup. Set yourself up with a funnel. Okay, so you've got a capture page, and you can redirect that to a download page. Okay, reword it, or make it work with whichever brander tool you want to make it work with. It's up to you, and it works. Okay, it's you've got to do a bit of editing, guys. Don't expect me to put templates for every single brander tool. Okay, I've put these templates they are templates basically. So you reword them. You redesign them or duplicate them to make them work with whichever brander PDF download you want to make it work with. It's up to you. And the same applies to the list emails. You edit them. You go through them. Check them. Don't. People sometimes blame me because I haven't edited them correctly or whatever. Guys, they're templates. So I've done the hard work. I've done most of the work. Okay, you can be the marketer that you are. It's your business. Okay, don't expect everything to be spoon fed, and and use them however you want to use them. Okay, I'm happy for you to use them. All right. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching, and hope it's all useful. Take care. Oh yeah, and you've got more share codes here for LiveGood. Okay. So I'll put all the links below. I mean, you know, you're not going to get many links. You won't need many links. It's mostly to this system. Okay, but obviously I'll give you my link to my LeadsLeap platform, so you can get that. And you know, you'll have everything you need. All right, thanks guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.